my channel. My name is Rose and today we're going to create a vision board for 2020.
Step 1. Take a pen and paper, or if you love journals like I do, take your journal and write down all the things that you want to achieve this year. It is really important to truly believe that you will smash your goals. Think positive, be positive, and you will see positive results. Step 2. Visualize your goals. Download pictures that motivates you to make a change in your life. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, download pictures where a person is crossing the finish line and visualize yourself being that person. Visualize the things that you want, see it, feel it, and believe in it. Step 3. Print out in color all the pictures you have prepared for your vision board. You will need an A3 paper, scissors, glue, and if you want to spice it up like I do, add some glitter glue. While cutting the pictures, think about your goals. Make a mental blueprint and believe that you will become that person. Positive vibrations come from your thoughts. Do not let any negative thoughts control your life. Step 4. Leave some extra space where you can add more images throughout the year. There are always new goals to achieve. Never stop learning. The best investment is to invest in yourself. If you finish a book, start a new one. If you achieve your fitness goal, create a new one. Step 5. When your vision board is ready, place it somewhere that is highly visible for you. For example, many people like to notice their vision board near their nightstand or other place that they look at first thing in the morning. After all, by creating a vision board and placing it in a spot you see every day, you create the opportunity for consistent visualization to train your mind, body, and spirit to manifest your desires. Step 6. Work on your goals every day. I cannot stress enough how important this step is. The life you envisioned is never going to happen unless you find time to work on it every day. There will be times where you will feel down, and these are the times where you have to be strong and overcome your doubts. Never give up and always strive to be the best version of yourself. So, this is my vision board. I hope I have helped you out. I wish you all an amazing year and I believe you will smash your goals. If you want to share your goals in the comments below, I would love to hear all about them. Also, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. This is my first video for this year and my goal is to post at least one video a week. Thank you for watching and don't forget to work for your dreams.
Create my perfect vision board. And my fiance just ruined my video. Visualize them. You need to go